What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another fun creative photography video for you. This one we are going to be using a frame just like this. We're going to be pulling out the glass from here and we're going to be shooting through that to get some really cool reflections and add depth to our photo just like this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video and get started. So the tip here is going to be really just moving around to get some cool reflections. No matter where you shoot, there's going to be different reflections and you want to make sure that you are capturing ones that look good for the image itself. So I recommend having you, the photographer, move the camera around a lot just to make sure you get some cool reflections, and also have your model move the framed glass at different angles, as you can see here, to also help you achieve different looks to get you really cool images like this. And guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And if you're not subscribed, consider doing so. We have new content coming out for you guys every single week, so you don't want to miss out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.